Today I'm going to show you how to get the very best edit for a sunset photo. Hi, this is Age from Liquid Earth. Sometimes the camera's dynamic range just doesn't show all the colours, but we can easily fix that in Lightroom. Lightroom's a free program. Download it from Google or Apple and then just follow along. You can create the edits that I'm creating. Then at the end I'll show you how to save those as a preset. You can also download the preset at the very end. So we're going to start on this image, and as always I always like to start on the light. So we'll start with the light, and the exposure looks okay, but what we want to do is bring the highlights down. So around about -54, and we want to take the shadows all the way up to bring back some of the detail. I'm going to take the whites down a tad, it's -6, and we're going to take the blacks up to +6. Next, go into curves, and we're going to add 3 points by tapping on the curve line, and we're going to pull the highlights up and drop the shadows down a little bit to gain a little bit of contrast. And then go to the red channel, put a point in the middle, and we're going to pop that up a tiny bit and press done. Next we'll go to colour, and let's add some saturation to our image to bring out the colours. So for this image I'm going to take that all the way up to +56. Next, go to effects, and we're going to bring our clarity up to +29 and take the dehaze also up to +19. Let's go on to the split toning. We're going to add some oranges to the highlights, a hue of 30 and a saturation of 9. Next, go to detail, and we're going to add a little bit of sharpen, +36, and we're going to mask that out at +57. Now if you tap and hold the image, you'll see the before, and look at the difference once we've made those very simple adjustments. Now all we need to do is save that as a preset. To do that, press the 3 dots, which is the settings, click on create preset. Let's give the preset a name, we'll just call this sunset, and you can save that in a group. Press user presets and create a new preset group, and I'm going to call this group sunsets 2, and press the tick and tick again, and now we've added that as a preset. Now to apply the preset, tap your presets button, navigate to your folder, remember we called that sunsets, and just tap on the sunsets, and there you have it. If you want to apply that, press the tick. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe, it really helps me grow the channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.